Power law. So power law is a phenomenon where small number of groups make up a large population. And we'll talk about a couple different examples. Let's say our first example, we're going to look at names. So small number of names make up large population. So in this example, we have number of people. Let's say 2.5 million, 2 million, 1.5 million, 1 million, 0.5 million. And let's look at top names. So top name is going to be, at least in the US, Smith. Top names in US. And number of folks with the last name Smith, 2.5 million. And next one, I think it's Johnson. And they have, 2 million, for example. And then you're going to continue, again, ranking by most popular to least popular. And you'll notice a trend where the popularity quickly drops. So the very first name is super, super popular. The next most popular name, still popular, but there's a drop. Then there's going to be a sharper drop, and even a sharper drop as you go along. So you actually end up with a pattern like this, where a handful of names makes up a ton of folks, where all the little names make up very few people. So other examples might be the number of, billionaires make up large portion of population's income. So I think it's like top 1% makes up, half of the country's income. Another example is, let's say, websites. Handful of websites, let's say Google, for example, maybe Facebook. A handful of these make up most of the internet traffic. So, similar idea is like 80-20, where %80 of the values is generated by 20% of people, whereas 20% of values is generated by 80%. The actual thresholds vary. I think the more generic phenomenon is this power law, where a small number of groups makes up a large population of the values.